Hello friends, this is Annette from Simply Panux, and I am bringing Sassy with me today to plan on what's not really planning, right? It's going to be taking care of my cover page for July. Oops, sorry about that, the camera moved. I have a little note here that I wanted to film a simple cover page and use Sassy, maybe. I like to make sure I write down any ideas I have for cover pages while I was journaling here. Oh, I gotta do a note for yesterday. I'll do some back journaling. But this is my cover page, and I thought I had I didn't think. I have a bunch of old stickers that I used to have in my shop. There's a month header and some sticky notes, so I know I want to be using these words. And I used to use these as like a block out, time block. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Well, you know what I mean. Something like that. Time block. And I have these die cut stickers that I was playing around with. So let me use these. Bring my July here. Let me bring this out. Okay, so I'm done with that. Let me zoom you in just a little bit. There you go. That way you can see. That way you can see it better. Should I do it this way or this way? You know what? We're changing things up. We are going to do it it would be the vertical way, right? It'll be the vertical way, but if you look at it, it's really the horizontal way. Hey, I have some washi tape that I wanted to use. Hold on. Oh my God, I literally had the washi tape that I wanted to use here. I don't know where it went. Oh no. Well, I still want to use something. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Okay, I guess. I really like this one for Sassy because it's like a taupey color. But this is from, what is it? MT? So masking tape? I'm not sure. But this is what I'm going to be using. And I like to overlap it. So I'm going to just do that there. Pull it off. It looks all weird, but it's okay. And then I am going to cover that because I don't like how that looked. Like that. And then one of these, probably gonna do like a sticky note, and then maybe one of the Sassy days. Here, Sassy Gloomy Days was that icon sheet. I think I want to do that, or should I do this one? And it will have a black, maybe like this. No. So as my goal, I want to do work, read, clean, drink water. Drinking more water. And it goes because Sassy is a little iced cup of water. There you go, iced cup of water. Okay. Drink water with a note. Oh yes, I like that. Drink water. And then with Sassy in the middle. I like it. Yes, we're doing that. Okay, we are gonna use this die cut. Using that sticky note, drink water, Sassy Gloomy Days there, and I can fit another one of Sassy. So let me bring my Sassy icons. Maybe this one, focus. Ooh, I've been struggling to focus lately because I have a lot of things that I'm being a part of. I know it was something that I wanted for myself to keep this busy, but I'm finding myself to struggle with focusing. Should I put something there? Maybe a different Sassy? Is it too much? You know what? I'll do my cloud and hope it does not clash. Ooh, like it's coming out of the sticky note. I like that. There is my cover page. I like that, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So it's a small video just to show you how I like to decorate my cover page. Sometimes I'll write my goal, but this time I like to use some of my old sticker stash. So there you go, guys. I hope you got inspiration from this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.